Hi there. One little problem that I sometimes have to deal with is where I haven't got any data in a spreadsheet. I don't want to delete rows, but I want to hide them temporarily if they're empty of data. So let me show you a really quick technique for dealing with this. Let me share my screen with you. So here I've got a spreadsheet where there's plenty of blanks. The sales figures haven't been filled in certain areas. So the quick way to deal with those blanks, to hide them, is to select all of this data set, Control A, then Control G to go to Special, choose the blanks, so it highlights those blanks, and then Control 9 will hide those rows. How's that? Neat little trick, isn't it? So I hope you found that helpful, and if you have any questions, then my details are coming up. Drop me a line.